Hi guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorial. Today we're going to talk about Wix versus Shopify, comparison side by side. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, so don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Now, like I said in our title, we will be doing a comparison between Wix and Shopify. We will be comparing how creating a website on each platform works, and since Shopify is an online store, we will be creating an online store in Wix and comparing how they manage their different system, their products, all of those online store related. So let's go actually start with Wix.com over here. Let's click on create new site over here on the top right, and let's begin the process. Now, unlike in Shopify, Wix is able to create any type of website, and it depends on the user on what type of website it would like to create, but Wix offers a wide variety of options. Now, since Shopify, like I said earlier, is an online store, we will be limiting the comparison to an online store. So we'll be selecting online store in Wix and simply click on next over here. Now, also, you will be able to select a specific type of online store if you prefer to be specific and not be too broad with the type of online store you're creating. That is an option. But if you want, you will be able to also set it up as a broad option. So that's what I did. I selected the broad option and simply just online store. And right away, we will be redirected to the dashboard because that is how it works with Wix. There we go. And it will show you a step-by-step on what you need to do, such as your store name over here. So let's say our store name is C for now. Then simply click on next. And you already have an online store. You could say, no, I'm just starting out. Click on next. What would you like to sell? Do you like to sell, or would you like to sell physical products, digital products, dropshipping products, print on demand, and services? This is a very nice feature where you can simply select all of this, and depending on what type of items that you would like to sell or how your setup would be, you can simply select them over here and click on next. Now, all of this is also present in Shopify, which we will be talking about later on over here. And as you can see, where would you like to sell? We're going to stick with the online store for now. And after that, click on next and continue to dashboard. And that's basically the basic setup of your online store in Wix. And you'll be focusing on the dashboard right away. Unlike the other types of website, when you try to create it in Wix, it will begin with a template and all of those other stuff. But this time, we will be able to start it on the dashboard. Now, if you're familiar with WooCommerce or WordPress, it's a very similar process or very similar UI, as you can see here. And you have your to-do list over here to be able to actually finish setting up your store and keep it up and running. You will have to connect it to your domain, set up your payment methods, add your first product, set up your shipping and delivery, design your website, and get found by customers on Google. Very simple. You will be able to add your products over here on the left side, under products over here. You will be able to check your inventories, categories, back in stock requests, find products to sell, and e-commerce app over here, which is very useful. You have your booking calendars, your orders, gift cards, loyalty and referrals, and many more. There's a lot of options over here. Now, when we explore Shopify, since Shopify is specifically designed to be an online store, the different features are more organized. As you can see here on the left side, you will be able to easily add orders, products, customers, content, analytics, marketing, discounts, and many more. You will also be able to connect it to other types of stores as well, such as Alibaba or other platforms like Shopify for print on demand. Now, you will be able to do that as well in Wix, since earlier we saw that we will be able to also connect it with dropshipping types of services. So those features are typically the same or almost the same with Shopify and Wix, as you can see here. Although we have some automations under Wix, but in our Shopify over here, we don't have that option. We don't have an automation over here, but there is a built-in already process. For example, if we set it up for dropshipping, the automation for that will be automatic. But the automation in Wix is about different. It's a bit different than that, where you will be able to create your own automation with different purposes and all of those stuff. So when you create this, there will be different triggers and different actions. But with the products, when you click on the products over here, you have the more options such as export, import, or rearrange. You could click on a new project over here. You could add a digital product or a digital file. When you add a product in Shopify, let's compare the adding products here. Let's click on add physical. Let's click on add your products. Over here as well, as you can see, you can find products to sell or import products in Shopify. When you click on add your products, these are all the details that you're going to have to fill in. You have your title, description, media, pricing, all of those stuff. You have your product category, product type, vendor collection, tags. You have your inventory over here. You can check out the shipping and variants as well. Under Wix, the process is similar. You have your images, your videos, your basic information such as the name, the title, the categories. Almost everything is over here. The Wix website or Wix over here has more details with the pricing. For the pricing over here, this is just the pricing that we have, like the price compared to price. But in Wix, you have your price, on sales, show per unit. Over here, it has more options with our pricing. You can also add custom text and product options over here. And basically, that's just the difference. It's not much of a difference, but the process is the same. And there's also other things that you could do over here. Now, let's check out when we actually create our website. The score changes for now. In Shopify, creating a website is very straight to the point. Simply click on online store over here. You have your themes. Other themes, this is basically like the templates area where you can check out different templates that you could utilize over here. But right now, the Dawn theme is the default theme. So let's customize this. Simply click on customize. Now in Shopify, you will be able to also edit the CSS. So you could upload your own CSS file or like your own code, and you will be able to create your own customized page. In Wix, I'm not sure if you're able to do that. I don't think you're able to do that because there's a limit or a specific type of template that you need to follow to build your website in Wix. So let's check them out. Right now, it's not working, but either way, let's proceed with our Shopify over here. In Shopify, it's very simple. You have your header, template, and footer. You could add any section or any part over here. For example, the header, you could select and edit that. It's a very easy, very plain editing, website editing things, so you won't really get lost. But if you're trying to compare Wix and Shopify together, if you wish to have a single platform and you wish to create multiple types of website, for example, you have your online store, and then you have another website or blog website about your online store and your different products, you can do it all in Wix. But if you're just going to focus on online store and selling your products, Shopify is the best option for you because it is actually tailored and designed for online stores. So a lot of its feature is a lot more refined compared to Wix. And also you have a lot of apps over here that you could use and integrate with other platforms out there, which is very useful. You will be able to use hundreds and thousands of different applications that will improve your experience with Shopify. So I really like this feature about Shopify. An example of app is you have over here TikTok, the Judge Me, InstaFeed, Snapchat, and ads, and many more. And to be honest, Shopify is more popular right now than Wix. So I suggest that you use Wix instead or rather Shopify instead, because people would buy on a platform that is very known and people know about. So that's basically it for now. That is a comparison between Wix.com and Shopify. So if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.